Study Kids TV. Months of the year. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें फॉर आवर चैनल स्टडी किड्स टीवी।